Alright guys, so if you want to win in the stock market, and if you don't have this thing right here, it's hard for you to win in the stock market. It's about the mental toughness, guy. If you don't have the mental toughness to stay strong during the tough time when the stock market crash, and if you don't have the mental toughness to are able to afford to lose, so you're able to learn the lesson to gain later on, it's hard for you to win. Just like, for example, you can see right now, right? In order for me to get the six-pack, in order for me to get the arm, in order for me to get in cut, I literally have to work really, really hard at the gym, and I have to go through the pain. It's fucking tiring, guy. And when it's so tiring, you get the result. There's no pain, no gain. Y'all people want to win in the stock market, but the point in here is y'all scared to lose. You have to lose to gain, guy, and the mental toughness is very important. You want to get ripped in the gym, you gotta work really, really hard and go through all this tough time, guys. You gotta put in the sweat, the equity, the tear, the pain to get the result. And that's the same thing with the stock market. You have to fail to learn, you have to struggle to learn. And the biggest lesson in life is through the pain, through the failure for you to learn, right? So stay tough, guy, for you to win in the stock market and invest like a genius.